Alright, the next function in the top 100 PHP functions used in 2022 is preg replace, and it is used to search and replace a specific string in a given string. To demonstrate this, I will create variables string that we want to replace something in it. That will be considered as an input string, and the pattern that we want to replace, and the replacements. And then I will pass these to preg replace method or function, and then I will pass this to preg replace function, and it accepts mainly 5 parameters, but the first 3 parameters are mandatory, so you can pass in array or string, and the first one is the pattern, second one is the replacements, and the third one is the subject. So here I will just echo them if I save this and go back to the browser, and here we go. So we took the first one, which is the string, and the second one is a digit, so we neglect this, we can see right here, and we just wrote 1 right here, and then we took the third digit that we found and assigned this to $3, and then we replace it right here, which is the second parameter. So we can change this, although also we can remove it. So I will save this, and here we go, we remove the month or date from the string. There are a lot more flags that we can pass. You can find it at the php.net website, and here they are, static and a lot more flags right here.